We are getting started on this beautiful day today by adding about 3 pounds of some chicken breast right here into our crock pot. This is going to be delicious. You guys know I love using the crock pot in the summertime because it just gets really hot outside and it's super convenient. So check this out. I'm following it up with some salsa that I'm just gonna pour right on top of this chicken, just dumping that all out. Now, of course, you can choose whatever salsa you like. I really like the kind that has a lot of diced up tomatoes and onions, and it's going to be great in this. So just keep in mind whatever you want to use. Then you're going to grab yourself some taco seasoning, whatever kind, once again, maybe mild, medium, spicy, and you're just going to sprinkle that all on top. So this chicken is just going to marinate inside this salsa. It is going to make it so tender. That taco seasoning is going to be delicious as well. We have more to come, but first we're going to pop this on high and we're going to cook it between 3 and 4 hours, and stick around because the next part, well, it's really delicious. This chicken is smelling fabulous. Oh my gosh, look at all of that juicy goodness in there. All I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take a moment here. Look at how tender that chicken is. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna start to shred all of these chicken breasts. You know, it's okay if they're a little bit chunky, but I wanna start to shred them so all of that juice just gets into that meat. It just makes it even more tender, more delicious. Who doesn't love a good, easy, shredded chicken? Oh, this taco seasoning smells fabulous along with that salsa. We are in for a treat tonight, let me tell you what. Look at all that delicious chicken. Oh, we are totally in for a treat. Now check this out. I have some cream cheese here. I just let it kind of soften a little bit. So I'm gonna kind of just like break it apart just like this. It already is really soft, but that way I'm not just throwing in the entire block into like the same spot. So this is gonna melt up pretty quickly, and we're just gonna kind of put this in right here at the end of the duration when your chicken is all done in that crock pot. Perfect. Now I'm gonna kick it up an even another notch with this cheddar cheese here. I'm gonna take the whole bag, but I'm just gonna pour half of that in there just like that. And now easy peasy, just go ahead and take those forks that you just shredded it with, and all we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of start to incorporate that cream cheese in with that chicken, and this will start to all melt together in no time. But look at that, it's already getting all nice and creamy, and that's just gonna complement that chicken so well. Just a little bit of cheesiness and a little bit of creaminess. That's exactly what we're going for. Oh my gosh, it's like this creamy chicken taco deluxe thing we got going on. So it looks like that's mixed pretty well. And then I'm gonna come back in with the rest of that cheese, and I'm just gonna put it all on the top because we are gonna leave this here with a nice top of some shredded cheese, and then that way this can totally melt. We're just gonna have a nice cheesy topping to this taco goodness. I don't know what we're gonna call it, but it doesn't matter, it's delicious. I'm gonna pop the lid back on. It's only gonna be another 30 minutes or so. We're gonna let that cheese melt and all those flavors are gonna cook together, and stick around. I think you're really gonna love this one. The time has come and we are ready. Look at that chicken goodness. And I'm gonna add some green onion. Look at all that melted cheese though, oh my gosh. Like David said, winner, winner, chicken dinner. It is what is for dinner, and I don't know what you guys are gonna serve this with. You could even throw in beans. You could have beans on the side. Maybe you're gonna do some rice. I don't even know, but right now we are just gonna scarf this down. Look at that, some green onion. Are you gonna add green onion on top? I really love it, and I love how it just gives it a little bit of freshness, and then we'll just save the rest on the side in case anybody wants any. Okay, let's see all of this chicken in here with this cheese. Look at that in there. Look at all of that creamy chicken. Wow. Off the charts right there. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Tender chicken, creamy sauce, cheesiness. Wow. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that sauce in there.
Yum.
So good. And I promise I'm gonna feed David first tonight. So babe, come over here and give this a try. I think you're really gonna love this one.
Woohoo!
I cannot wait to share this with him because I know you're gonna love this. It is just the perfect amount of just like that little bit of spiciness from the salsa and the taco seasoning, but then it cools down with the cream cheese. It might be hot though. Well, it probably is gonna be hot. Yeah, that's what I was thinking you were gonna say.
Tastes like an enchilada.
Does it? Like inside inside of an enchilada.
Yeah.
Or like all together.
Amazing.
I like that description. Okay, this is a winner in our book here. This is definitely in the family rotation. Let me know what you guys think of this easy meal, what you're gonna do different, what you're gonna serve it with, all of your thoughts. Share it if you like it. The recipe will be in the comments. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.